Hey guys, here it is, the 3Racing Zero Cero. Today we're going to take a look at everything that's included in the kit and what you can expect during the build. Let's start with the bags. Bag 1. Here we have the differential, including the ball bearings and spool. Bag 2 contains the chassis, lower suspension arms, plastic ball heads, and of course plenty of screws. Bag 3. This is where we find the first aluminium parts. You can also see the new old school retro pink color here. All parts are labeled. Whether you like that or not is a matter of personal preference. Let me know what you think in the comments. Bag 4. More aluminium parts, screws and the top decks. Bag 5 contains the steering knuckles, turnbuckles, drive shaft joints and upper suspension arms. Bag 6. Here we have the shock absorbers. Bag 7 contains the body mounts and battery holder. Bag 8 includes the bumper and additional body mounting parts. There's also an extra bag with tools, double-sided tape and additional screws. Normally fluids are included as well, but they are usually removed before overseas shipping. Also included are the beautiful 1.2 mm steel chassis. Two sticker sheets, and of course the instruction manual. That's it for our first look at the kit. Over the next few days we'll be building the car step by step, and there will be a separate video covering each stage of the build. If you have any questions or would like to see something specific, feel free to leave a comment below. Tomorrow we'll get started with the first assembly steps. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any part of the build series. See you in the next video and out at the track.